Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install OKEx Exchange, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official OKEx website. Look for the download section on the home page. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. For mobile users, visit the App Store or Google Play Store for the app. Once downloaded, locate the installation file on your device. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Read and accept the terms and conditions when prompted. Choose the installation location if prompted or proceed with the default settings. Click on the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Now, locate the OKEx icon on your desktop or in your apps menu. Double-click the icon to open the OKEx application. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the option to create a new account if you don't already have one. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email through the verification link sent to your inbox. Return to the app and log in using your new credentials. Complete any necessary identity verification required by OKEx. Set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Once logged in, navigate through the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. You're now ready to start trading on OKEx. Explore available trading pairs and market analysis tools. Always ensure your account is secure and funds are managed wisely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.